my name is Samantha Silver. I'm with Profit. We're going to show you some demonstrations of our hole saws today. The first one I have is our multi-purpose hole saw, which we designed to cut through wood but can cut through a few different materials. So it's also very efficient through cutting through wood, as I'll show you now. And I'm through. If the piece gets stuck in the middle, you can pop it out far enough with the cork so you can grab it and take it out. It's also got an enlarging an existing hole feature, so the hole saws can be embedded together so that the existing hole can stay centered as you increase the size. So a perfectly concentric, bigger hole.